Again, calling all attention of all the registered contestants of art contest. Again, art contest, art contest. Guys, time to check in. Dalawa na lang, guys. Art contest, anyone? Okay. So, wala talaga. Wala nga habol. Sige. Without further ado, the runner-up of the Day 1 Otago Expo on the Spot Art Contest is none other than Roy Emmanuel Padillo! Congratulations! Ayan, pakita ko na lang yung iba. Pakita natin isang boat na Unipen. Once again, this is sponsored by Uni Philippines. Okay. Meron ba tayong winner? Winner, chicken dinner. Guys, excited na ba kayo? Gutom na kayo? Hindi pa? Wala? Okay. So, mabilisan lang. The winner of the Otago Expo on the Spot Art Contest Day 1 is none other Janela! Palakpakan natin ang winners ng ating art contest and ang mga contestants who has their beautiful art. Again guys, pakita niyo po ulit sa lahat yung inyong arts. Pakita mo na rin yan. Yan. Okay. Pakita mo na rin sa'yo. Ayun. Okay. Palakpakan naman natin again guys. Hopefully, they will be great artists soon. And syempre, bago po tayo dito. Okay guys, ito po. Constellation. Ay, kuya. Kuya! Constellation. Okay, constellation. Ayan, patipid. Kuya. Joke lang. Okay, next up is the singing competition or the contestants of the singing contest. Akyat po kayo.
Magpilitan tayo.
Okay, wow. Pagod naman sila. Kaya naman pagod sila. Anong masasabi mo? Pagod ko yung mga pagod ko. Ikan niya? Hindi ka sa stage. Ay, galing masunugin. Higa with style. Okay, sige. So, dito kasi, okay. Runner-up. Okay. Runner up. Oh, jogger up. Hopper up. O sige, sige. Gusto ko kapit kamay para intense. Ay! Parang gusto mo maghugas sila ng kamay na sa ano mo? So, sa natural faucet mo. Okay. Sige. Para makakain na rin kayo. Okay. Oh, picture mo na, picture. Okay, the runner-up for the anime singing contest of Day 1 Otaku Expo is none other than Megumi! Congratulations! Okay, picture tayo. Okay, sige, mga bata ko, joke lang. Thank you. Okay lang. Okay. Ito na. The winner of the the winner of the Otaku Expo Day 1 Anime Scene Contest is none other than Raymond!
Sasuke.
Congratulations! Ako, dito tayo. Ayan! Okay, congratulations! Para doon pala yun. Tignan mo na lang make sure mo na walang ano uy, i-make sure may ano yan, pakit. O, ano ba sabi mo? Sige, Sasakay and Regina. Okay, once again, let's give a warm round of applause for our singing contestant. Guys, yan pa bukas ha. Pero yung mga nanalo na, siyempre, dito sa atin. Here you go. Alright, so once again, thank you so much for participating. At ayun na nga, medyo, ang nangyari na yung day 1. Meron pa tayo bukas, day 2. No? So guys, once again, thank you so much for coming tonight. Don't worry, meron pa tayo bukas, mag-init-event pa tayo. And, iikot pa ako dyan sa baba. Of course, once again, dito, bibitayin niyo yung book ni Uni Philippines. Any purchase ng kanila ballpen, may free engrave na yan. Ayan, different fonts. Sa GAP naman, andyan ang book ni Skate, kami company. Pag nagpa-picture kayo, pinost nyo, ginamit niyo hashtag talaga at GAP XOZ, automatic, entry na yun sa rumble nyo. Okay? So guys, once again, thank you so much. My name is Sergio and I was your host for today's event, Day 1 of the Otaku Expo, right here at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. This event is sponsored by Camp Philippines and Uni Philippines. And all of this is organized by one and only Ozzy Events. See you guys later, mag-iikot tayo sa baba. See you later guys!